In today's world, having a strong online presence is critical for the success of any business. But with millions of websites on the internet, how can you make sure that your website stands out from the crowd? Well, the answer is SEO, or search engine optimization. SEO is the practice of improving your website's visibility and ranking in search engine results pages. By optimizing your website's content, structure, and keywords, you can increase the chances that your website will appear higher in search results when someone searches for keywords related to your business. Increased visibility can lead to more website traffic, more leads, and ultimately more sales for your business. SEO is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process that requires constant attention and adjustment to keep up with changing search engine algorithms and user behavior. That's why it's very important to work with an experienced SEO professional who can help you develop and implement an effective SEO strategy that will improve your website's visibility and attract more customers to your business. Don't let your website get lost in the crowd. Invest in SEO. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you with your SEO needs.